everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the art techniques. Let's begin with the first one. Here we are going to show you how we can make a caterpillar. You just have to first make the facial features of the caterpillar and the antennae, and the rest of the body is made by making the tiny circles one after the another. It looks so cute and so easy. Don't forget to make some of the appendages and then fill it with the bright colors. Let's move further, try to make the another type of the insect as we are talking about the mosquito. For this one, you just have to first make the wings of this, and you just have to make the semicircle at the top of over it, and then you just have to make the rest of the features. It looks so cute and so easy. Don't forget to make the antennae, and the eyes are made that are bulging outwards. It looks so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further, try to make a beautiful butterfly. For this one, you just have to make the semicircle. You just have to make a round circle, then cylindrical body. Then you just have to make the shape of the wings like shown here. You can see it's somewhat similar to the petals of the flower. And after that, inside it, we are going to place some of the patterns one after the another with the help of the marker. We just have to fill it with some of the bright colors. Antennae are also to be added. That's the very important thing. And stripes are given around the cylindrical body area. Let's move further, try to make this honeybee. First, you just have to make a round shape, below which you just have to make some of the curvier things. Then you just have to make the rest of the body, and the eyes are also added, and the antennae are also made. You just have to make some of the appendages from the lower end, and a thin tail is to be added. Last but not the least, you just have to make some of the wings. Let's move further, try to make the different types of the insects. First, you just have to make the round shapes with the help of the marker, fill them with the same color, and then you just have to add some of the patterns like here. For this one, reddish one, we are just trying to make the beetle pattern. Now for the greenish one, we have to make a turtle type, so we are adding some of the patterns and the features of that. Then for the orange one, we are making a honeybee that's fat. We are adding the features like the antennae and the wings. And the last but not the least, for this type of reddish one, orangish one, we are going to make it into a snail. Let's move further, try to make this beetle. First, you just have to make a circle, and lower to it you have to write down the alphabet A. Then from both ends you just have to join them in the D shape, and inside it we are placing some of the circles, and in between we are making some of the horizontal line. And then you just have to make the eyes from the upper top area, and the antennae are also added. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's move further with another activity. First, you just have to trace down the alphabet X in the center. Then you just have to join them together as shown here. Then you just have to add some of the more features around the wings, some of the patterns actually. And then you just have to make some rest of the body with the help of the lines, and some antennae are also added. It looks so cute. Let's now move further, try to make dragonfly. For this one, you just have to make the two circles, and then you just have to again make a round circle. Then you just have to make the giant wings as apparent here. It looks so cute. It's the easiest of all. It's very less time consuming, and it's best suitable for the small kids. Let's move further, try to make the honeybee. For this one, you just have to make the round shape, and below which you just have to make some tiny shape, then the cylindrical shape from both ends. You just have to make the wings that are similar to the leafy shape, and it's time to make the eyes. For that, you just have to make again the round shapes, and the antennae are added. Some of the stripes are added for the body area. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here again we are going to show you how we can create a different insect. First one is the beetle. It was made from the simple circle. Now the second one is the two circles. Then we are converting it into the honeybee. You can see antennae and the spikes are made around the body region, and the wings are added. For the third one, these are the three circles, and we are converting them into a cute little insect. It looks so nice and so easy. Now for the fourth one, it's just a caterpillar. So many circles are made.